What's going on, guys? I'm taking you on a job with me again today, but not just a single job. I'm actually going to be doing my first dealership run of the season. So spring is just kind of coming around the corner for us here. We have a relatively nice day, no snow, no rain. So I'm going to be heading out of town a little bit, actually. So it's going to be down in Woodstock, Ontario, about 45 minutes away. I have two dealerships there that I'm really solid with, so I'm going to go do a couple runs down there. And then hopefully Thursday as well is supposed to be a relatively nice day, and I'll be able to do another dealership run out in another town. So yeah, let's get to it. So I just pulled up to the first dealership out in Woodstock. We're at Anderson's GM down here. I'm just gonna head in, say hi first and everything, because I haven't seen them for months at this point. So I'm just gonna go say what's up, and then I'm gonna take you guys with a lot walk with me. Hopefully we can pull 2-3 vehicles or so, do a little scratch removal. So we're doing a lot walk, and we're pulling some scratches from some of these vehicles. As you can see here, we got vehicles like this that are, you know, 60,000 or so. You got these nice big scuffs along here. So what I'm going to start with is a rinseless wash solution, and I'm just going to clean up those spots, and then we're going to kind of compound and polish them out. So I just finished the first dealership. I'm testing out the new compound and polish. I did 3 vehicles. I didn't record everything, of course, just a few scratches here and there from each one. But overall, I'm gonna say super good so far on both of those products. I find the compound especially, it has a longer run time, so it doesn't dry out nearly as quickly as like the Rupes line, for example. The compound there is quite dusty, dries out quick, and once it dries out, of course, it's just flinging dust everywhere. So this one had a much longer run time, no issues with drying out, and the cut on it was just as good, no issues with that at all. So I'm gonna hit the second dealership and let you guys know how that goes as well.
one would be good.
All right, and that is it, guys. So we did 2 dealers today, 5 vehicles, bunch of scratch removal. That last one was very intense. You could see that was that entire side of the truck got keyed basically. So the whole side was just one big long scratch. The dealership was actually sending that out to get completely repainted. He didn't know I was going to check that vehicle out. He had no idea I'd be able to take care of that one for him. So of course, super happy because it's much cheaper for a paint correction on that than it is to get it restored and repainted fully. So aside from that, we're done for the day. Definitely stick around though, subscribe for daily detailing content, and I'll definitely be taking you guys on much more dealership runs now that the springtime's come around.